In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Webull desktop app. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to their official website, which is webull.com, and then up here you have a bunch of different things. You want to hover over platforms and click on desktop app new version. So click on this. And then here you have the option to download it for whatever you want. So either for Mac, for Windows, or for Linux. So depending on which operating system you have on your computer, that's the one you're going to click. For me, I'm going to click on Windows over here. And once you do that for whichever one, it's going to start downloading onto your computer, as you can see. Once that's done, it will pop up. You simply want to click on it. And then it's going to open up. You're going to have to press OK. And then here you'll see this is now the setup. You can then select if you want to create a desktop shortcut, which I do not right now, and then you want to click on next, and then simply click on install, and within a few seconds, Webull for desktop will be installed to your computer, and then you can just basically start using it. I have it installed already, as you can see. I click on Webull desktop, and this will open up, and you can then start using it however you want. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.